Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I am going to do the unboxing of Mi Power Bank, which is of 30,000 mAh capacity. Hit that like button and let's begin this video. Here is the box packing, and on the box it says Mi Power Bank Boost Pro 30,000 mAh. Key specifications are mentioned over here. This power bank supports Power Delivery 3.0. It has triple port output and 24 watts of ultra fast recharging, which means you can recharge this power bank using 24 watts ultra fast charger. Also, towards the back side of the box, all the input and output DC specifications are mentioned over here. If you want to read all the specifications, you can pause this video and read it. Now let's open up this box and let's see what we have got inside this box. As you can see, here are the box contents, in which we have a massive power bank, good quality micro USB charging cable. This is not only a charging cable but also a fully functional data cable, and we have also provided with a user manual. Another important thing is this massive power bank is not at all allowed in domestic or international flights, since it has massive 30,000 mAh battery capacity. Now let's talk about the physical overview of this power bank. The outer shell of this power bank is made up of plastic, which has superior anti-skid finish, and this power bank also has an advanced 16-layer circuit protection. This power bank feels a bit heavy as it has a massive 30,000 mAh battery and it weighs about 640 grams. You will get lithium polymer batteries inside this power bank. There is no on-off switch provided in this power bank. All you need to do is just plug in your smartphone and it will start to charge, and once you are done with your charging, unplug your smartphone and this power bank will turn off on its own. Now talking about the input ports, this power bank has two input ports for recharging. This micro USB port supports 18 watts of fast charging, and it will take around 10 hours to recharge this power bank if you are using 18 watts fast charging. And here is the another USB Type-C input port, which supports 24 watts of ultra fast recharging, and it will take around 7.5 hours to recharge this power bank if you are using 24 watts of fast charging. Now let's talk about the output ports. Here are the three output ports, in which two of them are USB ports and another one is USB Type-C port. The output ports will support maximum of 18 watts of fast charging. For charging your smaller gadgets like Bluetooth earphones or smartwatches, which require small amount of power, this power bank has a low power charging mode. To enable this mode, just double press this button and this power bank will enter into low power charging mode. As you can see here, the LEDs are blinking in different pattern. It will stay in this mode for the next 2 hours. Now you can charge your smaller gadgets like Bluetooth earphones or smartwatches or fitness bands, and to exit this mode, just press this button once and it will exit this low power charging mode. You can charge a smartphone having 4000 mAh battery capacity up to 5 times from this power bank. Even though this power bank has 30,000 mAh battery capacity, you won't be able to get full 30,000 mAh capacity, as there will be a power loss in DC to DC conversion. Along with charging your smartphones, you can also use this power bank in many different ways. You can use it with USB fan or Mi security camera, or even you can use it with a USB light bulb. Talking about the price, I have purchased this power bank from Mi official website for rupees 2,499. So that's it for now guys. Don't forget to like this video and thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.